Yo, what's up? Good morning. This is your boy Crazy J. I got a question for you right quick. I just got finished working out and probably about to get ready to create some music, but I wanted your honest opinion and I wanted to know what kind of tracks you need. You know what I'm saying? Like, do you need R&B tracks right now? Do you need pop records? Do you need trap? Do you need West Coast? Is there any particular style that you're looking for? If there is a particular style, just drop it in the comment section below, and I'll make sure to get to work on that. Start making some beats that will tailor that style. Also, want to let you guys know that I currently have a book out right now. It's called Star Status, and all of that is in the description of this video. But just to give you a synopsis of what Star Status is, it's basically just showing artists and showing creators how to take their passions and make money with their passion. So the same methodology that I'm using and talking about in the book is the same thing that I use on all of my clients. And the book itself, if you're seeing this video, I'm going to put it up so that it's absolutely free. But you can pay whatever amount that you want to pay for the book. All you got to do is, if you want to pay $0 for the book, you just put a 0. And if you want to pay, $12 plus, you just put $12 in, and you can do it like that. But definitely appreciate any support. Also, I have a Star Status bundle, and that's also in the description. And what the Star Status bundle is, it's 41 beats, all produced by yours truly, and also 10 of those beats are produced by Grammy Award winning producers. And I just partnered with them to see if I could generate a package together so that artists can record to music and not really have to worry about all the legal stuff, because all of these beats, all 41 of the beats, are completely unlimited license. So you get to use them however you want and on your projects and everything. So I hope that helps you guys out. I think I'm gonna go back inside, get to work. Y'all have a great week, great weekend, and love y'all. Peace out.